this is once in a lifetime. There's nothing going to be like this. This group of people, where we've been, the people that we've met.
It was really cool to get to see their way of life, their normal, and it's so different to what we have here. It was nice to see everyone come out. It's a big community, and that's something we don't have in Australia, and it's something I really miss.
I think there's a lot of reasons why getting students out of a classroom and into a real life situation is important. One, I think the students are provided with a lot of different contexts, so they're learning a lot of decision makers, stakeholders, and they're learning about complexities of issues that sometimes in class are presented in a very simplistic way, and then they learn about the village who's on the forefront of protecting their land, trying to save the forest. And so we've seen examples of people like Ari and Dharma who've created Nature for Change in Sumatra, who are on the forefront of protecting one of the last major rainforests in the world. An ecosystem that still has orangutans, elephants, rhinos, tigers.
First, we do it's digging the hole. So it's going into the ground slowly. Plant them with lobe so they will growing. The tree also needs a lobe.
Do like this for one tree.
Change your mind, change your lifestyle.
It's really amazing to see how this trip has changed so many people in so many different ways, and the sky's the limit. You feel like there's so much potential that you don't see from each individual that you cannot explore when they're sitting in the classroom in front of you. Explore, adventure, be adventurous, and then be yourself, be individual, be independent, provide your own service. Every individual has a meaning of existence, and making sure that you explore your strength and knowing your weaknesses, then enlarge them to help other people or be of service to other people is important.
If there was a message coming back, it'd be to do something. Do something while you can.